this is Lance from NerfThis.TV again. Today we're having a look at this AirFly. No, it's not a fly. This is a connection for your AirPod. What it'll do is it'll allow any 3.5mm plug, basically, you can now connect your Bluetooth headset to and listen to, in this scenario, your in-flight movies with your AirPods. But as I said, you can connect any Bluetooth device, Bluetooth headset to these. It's a pretty simple case of just holding down the 12 South button and it'll pair to your AirPods as soon as it picks them up. You obviously have to have your AirPods in pairing mode as well, using the button on the side. And away you go. The one downside I did pick up is that once these have paired with your AirPods, the only way you're going to be able to pair them with or reconnect them to your iPad or Mac or whatever the case you normally listen to is to switch this off, because if this is on, it's going to want those AirPods for itself. You can forget about just clicking on the AirPods on your iPad and connecting to those. It's not going to let them go. So it likes to have your AirPods. These are not exactly cheap. I think I picked them up for about the US equivalent, about $40. I think they're selling for $39.99. Let's call it $40. In the EU, it's pretty much the same, in the region of 40 euros. They recharge via micro USB. You can see the little port on the front there. On their website, they advertise 8 hours worth of listening time. As with most of these estimations that suppliers give, I don't think it's totally accurate, but you'll get somewhere in the region of 8 hours. I personally only got about 6 hours when I plugged it in for testing. I plugged it into a PC just to make sure that it does work the way advertised, because I haven't actually been traveling since I got these. So I haven't been able to plug them into the onboard entertainment of a flight yet. They also come with the world's shortest charging cable. Okay, granted, I don't think you'll need much longer, but really, they couldn't afford a little bit more wire to give us a bit of length there. I mean, that is not long. And this nifty little carry case that you can throw everything in so that you don't lose anything, which I do. There's not a lot else to be said for these. They do pretty much exactly what they say. They plug in to any 3.5mm headset jack and give you Bluetooth capabilities on that jack. So anything that doesn't already have Bluetooth, which excludes a lot of electronics these days, but like in-flight entertainment, maybe you can plug them into your console and use your AirPods with your console or something like that. I'm sure there's plenty of usage cases that people will come up with for these. I do like the idea of being able to plug it into the airplane and use my AirPods or another Bluetooth headset. I also like the idea of being able to plug it into my console and be able to use my Bluetooth headset, whatever it is, AirPods or otherwise, with that. So I think that's quite a good idea. So I hope you found these informative. I'll put links in the description below so that you can go and pick these up if you do want to them or have a look at them. If you like this, please like, subscribe and hit the little bell icon, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye.